Hi, my name is Scott Story. I'm 59 years old. I had total knee construction when I was 17 due to a football injury, and I've been struggling with it ever since. Um, I was referred to Dr. Frisch a few months ago, and I came in and he worked with me a little bit and ultimately decided the best course of action for me was a total knee replacement. So he scheduled me, and 2 weeks later I was in surgery. I arrived at the hospital at 7 o'clock in the morning. I had surgery at 9. I was done and out by noon, and I was out of the hospital walking on my own at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, where I was able to go home. Now, I wasn't, my first time knee experience, so I wasn't familiar with what kind of pain or whatever, but everything has been good, and Dr. Frisch's staff has been excellent, from the receptionist to the x-ray technician to the people that help me in the rooms. I'm not sure their titles, but everything about it has been enjoyable. 2 weeks after surgery, I feel like my knee is solid. I still have to work on getting my range of motion back, but I can tell it's going to be a huge benefit from where I was at.